Probably.
I've got Duke and Demi. They're sleepy right now, but if they get up, I'm going to have to let them outside.
Hey, Cadence.
Hi.
Cadence is missing school this week, Miss Morrissey.
Oh. I understand. I am missing being out of the house myself.
Cadence rides the bus to school. Nora and Ivana get dropped off.
I don't know what the chances are for tomorrow if it keeps snowing. Might be on Zoom again tomorrow.
It is cold out there.
Yeah.
Thumbs up if you went out and played in the snow/ice. No. Thumbs down if you stayed inside. Wow.
My dog slipped and fell on the ice on the steps in the back. And then after that one time, then she won't come back in. She won't come up the steps anymore because she fell. So I have to be coaxing her with treats and begging and pleading for her to come up the steps, even though I cleared the ice off, but she doesn't forget.
Well, Duke and Demi, they go out in the grass and they just crunch, 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 and fall through it.
She fell through yesterday in a spot. I thought that was going to be the end of her going out altogether, but that didn't bother her. But falling on the steps, I think it hurt her belly. So
yeah, Nora.
My dog loves the snow.
Yeah, Harper. There's
Very
Harper looking out the window.
Looks like Ivana has a Valentine pencil that somebody gave to her.
Oh.
Do you know who gave that to her, Miss Morrissey?
I bet you did.
Nope.
No? I don't know.
It was Nora.
Oh, that was nice, Nora.
Gave everybody one.
All right.
I don't know, Miss Morrissey. These boys and girls have been doing win-wins since they've come to school.
Good.
You'd be very proud of them.
Let me look at that.
Well, whenever you want to get started, Miss Morrissey, looks like we're only going to have 4 so far.
Okay. I gave you permission to share your screen.
Oh, let's see here. Oh, can everybody see that? Let me find a book here.
There it is.
We're not going to do a book about summertime. We're going to do a book about winter fun. Thumbs up if you've read this book on Raz Kids before. Okay, so this should be a new one. It is level B, so it's going to be tricky. Let's do a picture walk.
Click read, Mr. Wiseman.
And then we will listen to me read it, and then you'll get to read it. All right. Does anybody know what the title is?
Winter fun.
Winter fun. How do you know it's winter here?
Because I'm wearing winter clothes.
You're wearing winter clothes. What were you going to say, Nora?
Snowing.
It's snowing. Kind of looks like they're around the forest. I hope they don't see any bears. Okay, what's she doing in this page? Let's raise our hand.
Hot chocolate.
Let's raise our hands so we can take turns. Nora, what's she doing on this page?
She's drinking hot cocoa.
Yes. It's probably not something cold, right? She wouldn't drink something cold. All right, raise your hand. What's going on in this picture? There's actually 3 pictures. Ember?
This one.
Have winter hats.
They're wearing winter hats. Anything else? Nora?
The bottom picture.
Yep. What's going on in the bottom picture? Can you see it? Who do you think the little girl's playing with? Maybe a grandma? Have you ever played outside with your grandma in the snow? No, I haven't either. Ooh. Cadence, what's going on in this picture?
He's playing in the snow.
He's not by himself though. Who's he with?
You see it?
Puppy, 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 puppy.
What's in the top? What's on top of the page by itself?
Boots.
Boots. Yep, you got boots on because it's winter time. No snow on this page, but
Scarf.
Ember, what she got on? Ember, what she got on?
And a scarf.
Yep. Why do you wear a scarf?
Make your neck warm.
Mm-hmm. Ivana, what's going on in this picture? What do they have? What's he wearing? Ivana. Yep. But these are actually mittens because you can't see their fingers. We're getting a little background noise, Miss Morrissey. I can't mute.
I got it.
Thank you. Nora, do you know what they're showing off in this picture?
Them jumping in the snow.
They're playing. Yes. There's 4 people on this page. What's going on this page? Do you know Ivana?
They're playing in the snow.
They're throwing snowballs. They're drinking something. Looks like they're dressed warm. Oh. Ember, do you know this page? What's going on this page?
They're wearing skis.
Skis. What's another word for it? What else do people call them? Because skis you wear on your feet.
Sleds.
Sleds, yes. Okay, are they sad on this page?
No. Happy.
They look happy, so they must be having fun.
This is winter fun.
All right, let's go back to the beginning. I'm going to go through and read it. Remember, the words are going to turn blue throughout the book because I'm going to point to the words. Always point to the words. Winter fun. And now make sure you're watching because it's going to be your turn next. Winter fun. These are winter hats. These are winter boots. These are winter scarves. Ooh, I'm noticing a pattern already. The same words. These are winter mittens. These are winter pants. Oh, they were jumping with their pants on. These are winter coats. Coats. These are winter sleds. Little yin yang here. This is a little different. This is winter fun. Ooh, now whoever reads that page, it's going to be tricky for them. All right, we're going to go back to the title, Ember. We're going to start with Ember. Nora, Cadence, and Ivana, sit because it's going to be your turn after Ember. Ember, what's the title again?
Winter fun.
Winter fun. Yep. Notice how both letters at the beginning are capitalized, and there's no period. No period in this title. Okay, Nora.
Fun.
Say it again. I couldn't hear the first word.
Winter fun.
You got it. I knew you knew it. All right, Cadence. Oh, you're on mute.
Winter hats.
Okay, start from the beginning so I can hear you.
Winter hats.
Yep, this says winter hats, but let's go to this first word. It starts with TH, so it says these. These.
These are hats.
Oh, what kind of hats?
Winter.
Hats. These are winter hats. Remember we wrote this word last week? Are. Let's read it again, Cadence. These are winter hats.
These are winter hats.
All right, we're going to put you back on mute because it's Ivana's turn.
The last few weeks, I have spent so much time looking for.
These are snow boots.
Not snow boots. What? What season is it? These are summer boots? No, these are...
Winter boots.
You got it, winter boots. Now remember this word, everybody. A-R-E is R. You only say that middle letter. These are winter boots. All right, Ember, I hope you remember.
These are winter scarves.
You got it. All right, Nora.
Are winter mittens.
Got it. Now this is these. It starts with TH. The E here, you say its name because this second E is silent. Did you even know that? These. You don't hear that second E. All right, Cadence, it's your turn again. Remember, these are winter. Oh, you're on mute, Cadence.
These are winter pants.
Wow, you got it. These are winter pants. All right, Ivana. It's the same word that started the other sentences.
This.
Close. These.
These are winter.
Starts with a k. What are they wearing here?
Coats.
Yeah, these are winter coats. Read it one more time, Ivana.
These
Ember. Almost the last page. You got it. Can you say it again just a little bit louder? Because I don't think Cadence could hear you.
I winter sleds.
You got it. All right, Nora, last page. It's going to trick you.
This is winter fun.
Oh, you got it. Yep, this was not these are. It's this is. And look at this. IS is. This has IS at the end. This is winter fun. All right, Miss Morrissey, what is next?
You stop sharing your screen. I will, you got something to write with, even pencil and paper. We're gonna write a couple sentences. I want you
2
to
sentences?
Yeah. Listen, I want you to think about what your favorite winter clothing is. What's your favorite thing that you have that you dress in for winter? So think about what you have that's your favorite one. Okay. So we're gonna write these are my, all right. These are my, and then we're going to write what is your favorite winter piece of clothing. So when I write these, what do I need to do with the first letter of the word?
Capitalize it.
That's right. I need a capital letter, and it takes a capital T. Here's that word Mr. Wiseman went over. These. E-S-E.
You know what, Miss Morrissey? We didn't get to do calendar today for my class because we had snow day, but TH, Thursday, these.
Makes that th sound at the beginning. These, and then we're going to write that sight word that you had last week, are. Ember, how do you spell are?
A-R-E.
Right. A-R-E. And the only sound you hear is that middle letter, that R. That's why it's a trick word, a sight word that you have to remember what it looks like because you can only hear the R.
I'm thinking pirates like that word a lot.
R. Who knows how to spell my? Nora, how do you spell my?
M-Y.
Yes, M-Y.
Uh-oh, Ember, your Y's on the wrong side. Looks like Ivana and Cadence.
Are my. Now, let's think. What's your favorite winter piece of clothes? Favorite things to wear in the winter? Nora?
Loose shirt.
A certain kind of shirt. Well, I'm thinking about things that you wear outside. Ember?
Everyone has mittens.
Mittens. Okay. These are my, and let's see, what does mittens start with?
M.
What's the next sound? Meh, I. And what's the next sound? Mit.
T.
T. It takes 2 T's. And then it's E-N. And what do we put at the end when we want to say more than one? We don't want to say these are my mitten. We want to say mittens. So what goes at the end of that?
S.
S. And I'm going to put a period there because I'm going to get ready to write a new sentence. These are my mittens.
Now, mittens are different from gloves because mittens, you can't see your fingers when you put them on.
Right. All 4 fingers go in one piece.
Well, I guess you can't see your fingers when you put gloves on, but you can tell that you have.
Yeah. Your fingers all go in different spaces in gloves, right? But mittens, they all go in one piece. Except
It would be
your thumb.
hard. It would be hard to add with mittens on.
Yes.
How's it going, Cadence?
Now let's see, what could we say about our mittens? We want to describe our mittens. So if somebody doesn't know what your mittens are like and you're telling them, these are my mittens, and you want to tell them about your mittens, what would you say about your mittens? Might tell how they look or how they feel.
They feel soft.
Okay. They
Be wet.
feel soft. They is another word that starts with TH. I'm going to use a capital letter because I'm going to write my first word in my next sentence. THEY. They. Now that sounds like A at the end, doesn't it? The A. But EY can sound like A at the end of a word. These are my mittens. They. And we're going to write that new sight word that you had last week again. Are takes 3 letters. ARE.
Soft.
Ember, how do you think you might spell soft? What does it start with? What does it start with, Ember? Yeah, you're cutting out again. It starts with S. What do you think the next letter is? Aw. Oh, Nora knows how to spell soft. Nora, how do you spell soft?
SOFT.
That's right. Soft. I was running out of room there. My F and T look a little sloppy. Do we have room for one more sentence on there?
I have room for lots of sentences.
Okay.
I don't.
Good job, Ember. You might have to erase to write another sentence. Because we can say something else about them. Somebody said, what else? If we were describing them, what's something else we could tell about our mittens? They're soft. What else?
And
They're
Ivana?
wool.
They're wool? Is that what you said?
warm, I think.
Warm. Okay, awesome. So let's write they are, and then we're going to write warm. So here's they and are. You can just copy them. They are. Now, what do you think woof, 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 warm starts with? Woof.
W.
It does start with W.
Oh, my favorite letter.
Yeah. Then there's AR in the middle. What's the last sound? Warm.
M.
M. That's an R. R. W-A-R-M. Warm. Good job.
Wow, Nora could write like 5 more sentences. Goodness.
Don't forget your period. You can't hardly see mine because it's crunched in there. So I was running out of space because I try to write big. Good job, Ember.
I should make mine even lighter.
All right.
Are you getting it, Ivana and Cadence? Oh, wow. 3 sentences, Miss Morrissey. I think that's a new record for some of these boys.
Yes. Very nice. We just keep moving forward, Mr. Wiseman.
I'm just going to do this.
I know.
Oh, don't forget your Y, Ember.
Okay.
Look at Cadence.
Good work. All right. If you got a board, you can clean up your board. If you got paper, don't erase.
You can put that on your fridge.
Yeah.
Oh, my tissue found around.
Oh, you better not litter.
It's too close to the edge. So it just fell down. I think it floated down.
Miss Morrissey, I didn't get to tell you, last week when we were watching calendar, you taught some subtraction that was really good. And is it okay if we do some subtraction now?
Sure. And I'm going to say Ember's time, her time slot's 10 to 10:30, and I'm going to say she can go if she wants to, or she can stay with you.
Okay.
Okay. It's up to you, Ember or Mom. If you want to stay on with Mr. Wiseman for another 15, you can. It's up to you. Okay, you can stay. That's fine. I'm going to turn my microphone and my video off so Mr. Wiseman can do some math with you. I'm going to let my dog out.
Oh, you better bundle Bendy up. Did you see we got Demi a new outfit?
Oh, she wears hers inside, huh?
And Duke's got that for Christmas.
That's just like Striker.
She wears hers just on our walk. She doesn't wear it inside.
Well, Demi bites hers, so that's not a win-win.
Your black dog matches all black dog Striker.
Wow. Well, Duke and Demi aren't very big.
Outside with me and Wednesday, he jumps all over me.
Well, I'm very excited because Duke, when we got Demi was a puppy and Duke didn't like Demi. They weren't friends, but now Duke's slowly starting to play with Demi and he's learning how to do a win-win, so we're very excited.
Okay, I'm going to sign off, but I'll let you stay on, Ember, if you want to. Bye, Nora. Bye. Bye, Cadence.
Say bye, Ivana.
Bye, Ivana.
Bye.
Good
All
job.
right. Get your paper out or your marker board now. We are going to do some subtraction. Now, what happens when you subtract? Do the numbers get bigger or smaller?
Take it away.
It gets bigger.
Oh, well, we're talking about subtraction. Cadence, say takeaway. This is subtraction.
Bigger and bigger.
So get out a paper. Last week, Miss Morrissey was subtracting from 11. This week, she's been doing 12. So draw 12 medium-sized circles. Medium. Yes, Nora?
Have any paper?
You don't have any more paper? Do you have anything that you can write on?
My whiteboard.
Okay, you can use your whiteboard. Do you have a marker?
Yeah, I have a little cup of markers.
Okay, make sure they're dry erase. Ember looks like she had to get a new tissue. Let's draw 12. I don't have a marker board, so I'm gonna have to hold it up. Here's 5. Cadence, are you drawing 12 circles?
I'm done.
Hold on, I got 7. 8. Now this is 10. That's like a 10 frame. But we said 12, so I'm going to do 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now make sure you have 12 circles. 12. Write a 12 down because that's what we're going to subtract. 12 minus or take away, like Cadence said. 12 take away.
Copy got it backwards, buddy. Yeah, do it up there. Do it well.
Did you get it written, Ivana? All right, Nora, are you ready?
No circles. Yeah.
We're going to do 12 minus, let's just do a small number first. 12 minus 2. Write down 2. 12 minus 2 equals. Now, my 2's look like Z's, but don't get tricked. I need to curve them more. We're going to take away 2, so how many X's do we need to make? Do you remember this last week? 12 minus 2 equals, so let's make 2 X's. X out 2 circles. Like if you have 12 starbursts and you're going to take away 2 and maybe give them to your friend, your best friend. Oh, Amber, you're on mute. How many's left? 12 minus 2 equals. Can you read Ember's screen, Ivana, Nora, and Cadence? How many did you get, Nora? Because Ember's right. How many's left? Yep, Cadence, 10.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12 minus 2 equals 10. All right. If you have a paper, you might need to get a new one. But if you have a marker board, make sure there's 12 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can draw 10 circles like a 10 frame and then do 2 more because 10 plus 2 equals 12. 12 minus 2 equals 10. Let's do a little bit harder one this time. Hold up your paper when you're done. Nora's got it. Did you get it, Ivana? All right, we're going to do 12 minus, this is going to be really hard, 4 equals 12, take away 4.
Isn't that hard?
We're going to make 4 X's. Yes, Nora?
Drop my marker board.
Okay, you better pick it up before Your dog gets it. Harper. 12 minus 4 equals, how many x's do we need to make? Make 4 x's. I'm going to make these ones x's. 1, 2, 3.
I already guessed it.
What's the answer? 12 minus 4 equals. Oh, you have 12 minus 2 there, Ember. Oh, there's the other one. 12 minus 4. Ember knows it. Do you know it, Ivana? How many circles are left?
Giving them the answer 8, 8, 8.
You got it, Ember. Cadence, did you get it?
Yeah.
12
8.
minus 4 equals 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh yeah.
If you don't have 12 circles to
I
start,
have one that we can make.
what?
I have one that we can make.
What?
12 minus 8 equals.
Let's do it. All right, make 12 circles. I have to get a new piece of paper. If you need to erase your marker board, well, you better erase it. 12 circles. Okay, I'm going to do a 10 frame and then 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to try to make my 2 curvy. Not like a Z. Twelve minus. All right, I don't want to go too fast. We're going to do 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 equals. All right. You're going to take away 8, so you're going to have to make 8 x's. Don't get tricked. Looks like Cadence is maybe making his x's. 1x, 2x, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Look.
7. Oh my goodness. 8. How many's left? Everybody, how many's left? You don't even have to count them.
4.
Look, I just know that's 4 just looking at it. I don't even have to count them. 12 minus 8 equals 4. You better write it down. All right, we're going to do one more, and it's going to be the hardest one ever. Are you ready to make 12 circles? This is the last one. What's 10 plus 2 equal? 12. 10 plus 2 equals 12. All right, write your circles down. This is a lot of circles. 12 minus, are you ready?
Yes, I know.
12 minus 12 equals, what is the answer?
I thought it was 10.
Oh no, we're doing 12 minus 12. We weren't going to go up by 2s every time.
I know.
Nora has her hand up. What, Nora?
0.
15.
All right, hold on. What did you say, Nora?
50.
12 minus 12. I think Kaden said it.
There's 0.
Tell him.
Answer 0.
If you have 12, let's say these are chocolate chip cookies, and you give all 12 to your friends, you better X out 12.
Just watch.
How many's left?
9.
0. 12 minus 12. 0. What's 100 minus 100?
0.
0. What's 2 minus 2?
0.
What's 1 million minus 1 million?
0.
Good job.
That's right. If you have a number and you take away the whole number, it's going to be 0 every time because you have none left.
You know what? Who I made? They know who I made.
What?
You want to eat one?
Sounds like you need a drink of water. All right. If you need a new piece of paper, you can get a new piece, or you can just use the very bottom of your paper. We're going to draw a picture real quick.
I'm using the behind of my paper.
This is something that might be outside right now in the winter.
A dog.
Their habitat might be the Arctic.
Polar bear?
They are not living though. They are non-living.
Nope.
And they kind of look like the number 8.
Big one.
How much will we get?
Snowman.
A snowman. We're going to draw a snowman. So draw 3.
Here.
Well, it kind of looks like an 8 with a 0 on top of it. Have you ever drawn a snowman before? Don't forget the ground.
Line over that.
There's lots of snow.
Just a horizontal line.
Line of the
Mhm. Yep. See? Good job.
Now, how are you going to draw their arms?
sticks.
They're just sticks. My stick's going to have like some fingers for them.
Got him. And then a face.
The face is going to be like coal. But I'm going to draw my carrot first.
My circle is not big enough.
Draw a triangle for the carrot.
I'm not drawing it.
Now, my snowman,
I'm forgetting the hat.
I'm going to get to the hat. I have to draw their eyes. Now, I'm just going to draw coal eyes.
I'll do right there.
Forget their eyebrows.
Oh,
Now, do snowmen have ears? Not really.
Only if
But you
children
could give them
make
ears.
it.
Yes, if they do have ears.
They could have ears, I guess. If you want to draw ears, you can.
Weird snowman.
Ember said their hat. Don't forget their hat.
Oh, I am not.
Use your shapes. What's missing?
Buttons.
Oh, yeah, he needs a coat to stay warm. I'm gonna draw 3. I'm gonna draw 3 buttons. Did you draw it already, Cadence? Hold it up when you're done. Oh, wow, that's a big notebook, Ivana. Ooh, let's draw this because it's doing this outside my house. Let's draw little snowflakes. Now, how do you draw snowflakes?
I'm just making snow.
You're making snow? How do you draw them? Like, sometimes I see them as like little circles.
I'm doing circles.
Sometimes people draw them like little asterisks like this. Like Nora's got it like that. Sometimes people draw them like little clouds almost, like little puffs. Yes, Nora?
I even drawn some ice and water and the snowman's hat and mittens.
Oh, I didn't do any mittens because they were sticks. I don't think the mittens fit. Big snowflakes. Some little snowflakes. Oh, you know what? I just thought of this snowman was built yesterday, and last night it got icicles on its arms. I'm going to draw little icicles. Melted a little bit. All right, hold up your picture. He's got little icicles. You could even draw. Yes, Nora?
I put a little bird on his arm.
I was just gonna say that. I have birds outside on my bird feeder. You could draw little birds. All right. Well, if you want to keep drawing, like you could draw little birds, you could draw little squirrels. Maybe you could draw some snowballs. Maybe your snowman is about to get in a snowball fight. You could draw little snowballs. Snowballs are just circles. Okay. This is what's going to happen next. Now,
Look.
what is it? Ooh,
Made
is that
Two.
what is it?
Did a home.
Oh, a home for your snowman.
No, a home for someone.
Oh, for people. Yeah, that is safe. You need a house if you're a person right now. It's too cold out.
Hey, Mr. Wiseman, you're gonna have to wrap it up because if my video is gonna have.
Daddy, look.
Yep, this is what's going to happen next. We're going to end this Zoom. You can finish your drawing, go to the bathroom, maybe get a drink of water, and then at 11 o'clock, me and Miss Morrissey are going to be on again, but it's going to be a new Zoom. That's only for some people, though.
11.
All right, we'll see you.
Bye.
Bye.